खबरो विस्तारान गोमेकोत सोमारा सावन सिंधुदुर्गांतल्या दुयेंतीं खातीर भलायकी इश्ट नांवान स्वतंत्र कावंटर उक्तो करतले. तशेंच विदेशी दुयेंतींक गोमेकोत 100% शुल्क भरपाचेर विचार चालू आसा म्हण म्हायती भलायकी मंत्र्यान दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Yesterday we had lengthy discussion in the afternoon, and we had a lengthy discussion with Honorable Chief Minister, Joint Secretary and their team, Mr. Kostub. And in the evening, late in the night, we had a meeting with Honorable Chief Minister, just myself and Honorable Chief Minister. We had this discussion, and what we discussed is that there is already a Mahatma Jyotiba Phule scheme in place. So now we are implementing that scheme. Now I just want all of you to know exactly what we have done. We have been firm and we will continue to be firm on our stand as far as we are charging. We basically don't want any money from any government to be kept with us, because that is not practically, that's not on. So what we did is, after having the discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister, who was kind enough to in my presence speak to Mr. Parimal Singh, who is heading this this whole insurance program, and because the actual lady who's holding this program, insurance program, is on leave, the TPA that is handling Goa insurance is paramount, and the TPA that is, they have got 3-4 TPAs, the TPA that is handling Sindhudurg is also paramount. So by Monday, Paramount will ensure that Arogya Mitra counter is started at Goa Medical College. Dr. Bandekar is here, that's why I had called him. I will be briefing him in detail. They have already identified the place where they want to have the counter. So the Sindhudurg people will go to that counter and they will register themselves there, and accordingly we are waiting for the letter to be issued from the society. Chief Minister has already called for the file, Chief Minister of Maharashtra. They just need a letter, the TPA, TPA requires a letter from that society or that whatever that setup they have got in Maharashtra, and they'll immediately start reimbursing all the cases. Now, what Mahatma Jyotiba Phule scheme, they have got several packages, more than 1200 packages. In 1200 packages, they have got, but what is relevant to us, I have checked the rates and they are quite okay. It is more than the rate that we are charging of this 10 and 12, 20% of the C class categories. So that is much more. Angioplasty खातीर 1.5 lakh, आणि कित्या खातीर कसले, तो तशे तेंचे package जे आहा, that package is good enough for us, because in fact, I wanted the media to know and people of Goa to know that this is a win-win situation for both for Goa as well as for Maharashtra.